Europe is filled with landmarks, cities, and stories we all know. But beyond the postcards and the tourist trails, there's another side. Hidden between mountains, wrapped in fog, floating above silent lakes, exist villages most people have never seen. Places where nature does the storytelling, where time moves slower, where the sky touches the earth in perfect balance. This is not a top 10 list of attractions. This is a visual journey through peace, symmetry, and silence. Number 10. Spees, France. A cliff-top village overlooking the French Riviera. Seen from above, Spiez is a masterpiece carved into the cliffs of the French Riviera. The village rises like a crown above the Mediterranean, perfectly perched between sea and sky. From the drone's eye, you can see how the terraced rooftops flow with the curve of the hill, creating a golden mosaic surrounded by deep green and endless blue. The view stretches for miles. Shimmering coastline, luxury yachts in motion, and distant mountains fading into haze. With every sweeping aerial shot, Spiez reveals its balance between raw nature and timeless architecture. There's no traffic, no noise, just the soft contrast between stone and sunlight, mountain and sea. It's not just a village, it's a high balcony over one of the most glamorous stretches of coastline in Europe. A place where silence meets sunlight and history watches over the sea. Number 9. Annecy, France. The Venice of the Alps, seen from the sky. From the air, Annecy unfolds like a moving painting. The lake, with its turquoise waters, stretches wide and calm, framed by the French Alps rising softly in the distance. The town itself hugs the shoreline, its pastel rooftops and medieval walls blending seamlessly with nature. Through the heart of the old town, narrow canals shimmer, connecting quiet courtyards and arched bridges. But Annecy's true beauty lies in the way everything fits together. The lake reflects the clouds, the rooftops mirror the sun, and the mountains hold the entire scene like a protective frame. At dawn, the light crawls gently across the water, and mist drifts lazily between the peaks. From above, nothing feels rushed. Everything breathes slowly. You don't need to walk Annecy's streets to feel it. From the sky, you sense its rhythm, calm, balanced, timeless. It's not just a village, it's harmony in motion, a place where water, earth, and sky move as one. Annecy doesn't ask for attention, it earns it with silence, symmetry, and light. Number 8. Schwangau, Germany. A royal valley where nature frames a legend. In the southern folds of Bavaria, Schwangau lies like a secret whispered between lakes and mountains. Everything here feels designed for a story. Open meadows brushed with morning fog, sharp alpine ridges piercing the horizon, and still waters that reflect more than just scenery. They reflect a legacy. Above the treetops, the silhouette of Neuschwanstein Castle rises like a vision, not just built, but imagined. Its towers break through the forest like a dream trying to touch the clouds. And below it all, the village breathes quietly, peaceful, framed by green and stone. What makes Schwangau unforgettable isn't just the castle, it's the way everything fits together. The symmetry between mountain and meadow, the stillness of the lakes against the dramatic sky, the echo of history carved into the land. You don't just look at Schwangau, you remember it. Long after the drone glides away, the picture stays with you, calm, powerful, and timeless. Number 7. Tegernsee, Germany. A peaceful retreat cradled between lake and mountain. Tegernsee doesn't shout, it whispers. A gentle kind of beauty, quiet, balanced, and deeply pure. The lake stretches wide like a polished mirror, framed by pine-covered slopes and soft alpine peaks. The village itself seems to exhale calm, its rooftops blending naturally with the colours of the land. As the scene opens wide, you realise how untouched it feels. Boats glide slowly across the water. Mist clings to the hills in early morning, while golden light moves across the lake like silk. It's not the drama of high cliffs or famous castles that defines Tegernsee, but its silence, its harmony. The mountain ridges in the background give just enough contrast to remind you where you are, deep in the heart of Bavaria, where nature still takes its time. It's the kind of place that doesn't ask for attention, yet holds it completely. Tegernsee is serenity, distilled into a landscape. Number 6. Spees, Switzerland, where still waters meet storybook symmetry. There's a certain calm in Spiez that feels orchestrated, like nature paused just long enough to let beauty settle perfectly. At the edge of Lake Thun, the village stretches gently into the water, with rows of houses following the slope like a slow breath. But the centerpiece is the castle. Spiez Castle stands like a silent narrator in the scene, surrounded by vineyards and framed by a deep turquoise bay. From above, every line feels deliberate. The curve of the harbour, the shape of the hills, the shadows of distant alpine peaks stretching across the lake. Mount Nissen, the pyramid-like giant in the distance, completes the frame like a mountain drawn in graphite. Boats rest still in the marina. Clouds slide slowly over glassy waters. Spiez doesn't demand your attention, it invites it, then rewards you with quiet perfection. Every second you hover here, the picture deepens. Harmony in structure, purity in light, and a mood that can only be captured from the sky. Number 5. Brienz, Switzerland. A lakeside painting in still motion. Some places don't need drama, they speak through silence. Brienz is one of them. Sitting quietly on the edge of Lake Brienz, this small village looks like it was placed by hand between water and mountain. From the sky, the view is impossibly serene. Wooden rooftops leaning toward a turquoise lake, framed by towering cliffs and deep alpine forests. There's a raw stillness in the way Brienz holds itself. No grand gestures, no bold angles. Just a simple composition of colour and texture, pale blue water, dark green hills, and homes that mirror the land itself. It feels untouched, unhurried, like time was asked to wait here. The shape of the shoreline curves ental like a painter's brushstroke, and every movement of light, of cloud, of shadow is soft. Brienz doesn't try to impress, it simply is authentic, quiet, and deeply pure. If peace had a landscape, it might look like this. Number 4. Grindelwald, Switzerland. A valley carved by giants living in silence. Grindelwald isn't just scenery, it's scale. A village tucked into a glacial valley, surrounded on all sides by walls of stone and snow. From above, you see just how small the human touch is here. The houses are scattered like whispers beneath mountains that seem to rise forever. The Eiger looms in the distance, sharp and unforgiving, while softer hills roll below like waves frozen in motion. Green pastures stretch into shadow, and rivers of cloud slide slowly over the cliffs. The entire landscape feels like a cathedral built by nature, vast, still, and deeply humbling. In Grindelwald, every frame is a contrast between power and peace, between height and hush. The village doesn't fight for attention, it simply exists in harmony with giants. And when the light hits just right, gold on glacier, shadow on slope, it's like the earth itself is performing. This is the kind of place that makes you forget your voice, because no words will ever outmatch what you're seeing. Number 3. Braze, Italy. A glacial lake of stillness, guarded by stone and sky. In the heart of the Dolomites lies a lake that seems carved from silence, Lago di Braies. It's not just the water that stuns you, it's the way everything around it seems to pause. From the air, the lake appears like a sheet of turquoise glass, untouched and still. The forest surrounds it in a perfect oval, thick and dark, as if guarding a sacred secret. Wooden boats float gently across the surface, each one casting a shadow so clear it feels unreal. At the edge, a small wooden boathouse leans out over the water, still and timeless. A white chapel sits further back, modest and peaceful, dwarfed by the massive limestone cliffs rising behind it. What makes Braze unforgettable is the contrast. The softness of the lake against the hardness of the mountains. The quiet of the moment against the vastness of the landscape. Here, nature doesn't overwhelm. It hypnotizes. Light dances across the surface like silk, and clouds slide between the peaks like slow-moving thoughts. Braze doesn't need movement to be alive. Its power is in stillness, and it speaks without saying a word. Number 2. Bled, Slovenia. A floating island that feels like a forgotten fairy tale. Bled isn't a place you visit. It's a place you remember long after you've left. At the heart of a glassy lake, a single island floats gently beneath the Slovenian sky. From above, it looks like a dream, paused mid-motion. The white church rising from the trees, its bell tower cutting through the mist like a memory. Everything around it feels perfectly placed. The shoreline wraps the lake in deep green, while the mountains beyond blur softly into sky. Boats glide toward the island, each one moving as if time has slowed. Light reflects off the surface like polished stone, smooth, weightless, and impossibly calm. To the side, Bled Castle rests atop a rocky cliff, watching quietly from above. The balance between nature and architecture here feels poetic. Never forced, always effortless. From the air, it's not just beautiful, it's otherworldly. Bled doesn't shout, it whispers. It invites you in, then vanishes into your mind like a dream you almost forgot. Until you see it again and remember why it stayed with you. Number 1. Hallstatt, Austria. The village that doesn't look real, but somehow is. There are places so beautiful they feel imagined. Hallstatt is one of them. Pressed between a steep cliff and a silent lake, the village curves along the shore like a signature written by nature itself. From above, it looks impossibly perfect. Wooden houses stacked gently against the mountainside, their reflections drawn softly into the water below. Each morning, mist rolls in over the rooftops, blurring the edges of the scene like a watercolor painting. A white steeple rises through the fog, and the lake stretches into the mountains like a path leading nowhere and everywhere. There's no single focal point in Hallstatt. Everything shares the frame equally: mountain, village, water, sky. It's the kind of balance you can't design. You discover it, and when you do, it stays with you. Hallstatt doesn't try to impress. It just exists, quietly, gracefully, like it always has. A reminder that the most magical places aren't built, they're found. And from the air, Hallstatt doesn't just look real, it looks eternal. Some places don't need words, they just need to be seen and remembered. If these hidden villages moved you, imagine what else is still out there, waiting to be discovered. So if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the next hidden gem. Because the world is full of beauty, but only a few take the time to truly see it. thank you for watching. Until the next village, stay curious.